Hello everyone, this is Thomas's number one here, and today I am doing another TNO custom model showcase. Today we're going to be taking a look at 3 customs today. So the first custom I'm going to show you is Pearl. Now, I based Pearl off of a Wooden Railway Emily model. I got this Emily model for my birthday and it was in really bad condition. So I decided to use it for custom model purposes. So that's what I did. And as you can see, Pearl's wheels are so glossy. That's because I used a clear nail polish for that after I painted the wheels. I used Gorilla Glue to glue on Pearl's face. I painted the model light blue, and I also used a toothpick to write Pearl's name on the undercarriage. Here's Pearl's tender. There's a star on either side. And it says Pearl's tender on the undercarriage. The next custom that I'm going to show you is a long overdue custom that I should have shown you. And this custom is Alfred 2.0. Now you may wonder, where's Alfred's face? Well, I lost it, sadly. I obviously used the model that I already painted into Alfred. Basically, it started out all green, and after Alfred got punished in my series, I repainted him blue. It still says Alfred on the undercarriage, and it still says Alfred's tender on the undercarriage of the tender. So it's basically a repaint of my first Alfred custom. It's just painted blue instead of green. The last custom that I'm going to show you is an engine who appeared in the Thomas and Friends episode Scaredy Engines, and this one is Edward's Ghost Engine. Now, I got a Douglas without a tender off of eBay, and I just painted over the square on the cab and the nameplate, as well as painted over Douglas's name on the undercarriage. The reason why I didn't put a name on the undercarriage because it may lead to spoilers. And so that's pretty much it on this custom model showcase of Edward's Ghost Engine, Alfred 2.0, and Pearl. Also, I like to say thank you all for giving me 800 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Anyways, this is Thomas's number one signing out, saying goodbye, and thank you all for watching.